You know how to make the soup, you know how good it is for your health. Now, Fondation Marie-Claire Rose Félicité Bonheur des Salines, Fondation Félicité, is hoping you will help us raise the funds we need to make not this little, but the Mama Pemba, the 4 quatre oreilles, the 4 ears dimension in great numbers, so we could share it with lots and lots of people, at least 10,000-15,000 people. But the only way that can happen is if you contribute, if you donate and help us raise the funds necessary so we can share with as many as possible. We're counting on you. Take good care, and with a bowl of soup, we can help somebody have hope in 2021 in Haiti. Take good care. Thank you very much.